Hi, my name's Amanda, and I just wanted to say a few words about my experience with working with Saad Basim. You may have seen Saad on his YouTube channel, and it's well worth following. Him and his team work really hard to bring very relevant content. It's always up to date, it's always spot on. He makes sure that he brings you content that's going to help you along each way of your journey. I've had one-on-one coaching with Saad, and it's been an exceptional experience. He really does love to teach, and the thing that I love about Saad is he's not just some guy sitting in front of a camera sprouting off stuff that everybody else sprouts. He runs his own successful business, so whatever he's teaching you, he has experienced, he has tested, and the proof is in his numbers. He's very transparent, very generous with his teachings, and he's a great teacher as well. He's really easy to engage with, so it really doesn't matter if you are an absolute beginner, which I was when I first started with Saad, or whether you have years of experience under your belt. Whatever you need some support around, Saad's got the experience and the knowledge to be able to help you. I've also used all of the services that Saad provides as well. I trust what he's teaching. I trust that the information that he's giving me is going to be relevant to Amazon as it is today, because he's always updating himself. He's always putting into practice what he's preaching, and he's just a genuinely good guy. He loves to teach, and that comes through loud and clear. Very generous with his time, and what he's able to do with your listing or with your one-on-one coaching to get you from A to Z is just phenomenal. It's incredible, and again, as I said, the proof are in the numbers. So I just wanted to say thank you, Saad. Thank you for the team that works so diligently and so hard behind Saad to get all this content across to everybody. If you get an opportunity to take advantage of any of the services that Saad offers, do yourself a favour and sign up. Definitely follow his YouTube program, because he will deliver you information that is relevant and that will really skyrocket your training and your abilities to be effective and be a really good seller on Amazon. Thank you.